If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
All right. It's another day of mail call, and one that I have been waiting for some time. Here we go. And out of the box, nothing. And another nothing. That could be like 2 ears, maybe. Okay. But then here's the real mojo right in here. No Cracker Jacks. Okay, here we go. And it'll come with a couple of cartridges and a little note. So here we go. The real prize is in here.
Ah, that looks familiar.
Yeah. And it's blue, which matches and I really like the color. Teresa did a good job on that. Love the color. Here is a Mike Green custom pen made the way I wanted it made. My specifications. Look at this beautiful pen. If you can get that color, which looks better on it now. Nope. Okay, like that.
You're fine.
Okay. It is gorgeous. I don't know about your end, but I could even see the shimmer or the sparkles that are inside. And it just looks really cool when the light hits it. But I could be all wrong. But anyway, to me, that's what it looks like. Beautiful. It's just gorgeous. This is the Larry Kangaroo pen, the official Larry Kangaroo pen. And there's another little kangaroo pen called the Matthew Kangaroo pen, which is different than the Larry Kangaroo pen, so that we don't want to get both kangaroo pens.
Is it giraffe or kangaroo?
Ah! Giraffe! There you go. So, this is the official giraffe. Pen. And Matthew has the Matthew giraffe pen. I don't know where I got kangaroo. That's one of them, what do you call moments?
Well, it's either a senior moment or a dementia moment.
Or a both moment. But you know what? I'm going to leave it just like it is. I'm not going to edit it because I want y'all to know how it is, how this brain works. So you got to forgive me sometimes. If I screw up sometimes, it's not intentionally. It's just click, click, click. It goes click, 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 click. But speaking of kangaroo pens, what if we're going to get a kangaroo pen? But anyway, here we go. I'll let you look at the ingredients on the inside of this pen that makes it so colossal as well. Mikey did a fantastic job. Beautiful. And this, my friends, has a gold nib, medium, converter, and Mike always sent a converter with his pen cool and cartridges. And Mike continues to make one pen at a time. And I believe that's the way he's going to roll. Because that's what he loves to do. He doesn't, or his goal is not to make a abundance of pens at one time. He loves doing what he does, the way he does, how he does it, and that's cool. That's his thing. Everybody has their own thing, have their own opinion. This is Mike, and I respect that, and that's how he rolls. So if you're looking for a cool custom-made pen, check out my custom pen, because these pens are really beautiful, and this is really a gorgeous pen. Giraffe. Almost like Jurassic Park. So, a little bit of this together, and you got a giraffe saying peace and love to all. Talk to you later.